Ever considered a downturn in the real estate market as an opportunity? Here are 10 strategies to capitalize during a recession. 1. Micro flipping. Think of this as day trading, but for real estate. By harnessing the power of technology, you'd be on the lookout for properties that are priced lower than their potential market value. You snap them up and then sell them quickly without even having to renovate. It's all about speed and leveraging data. Estimated startup cost: $10,000 to $50,000, primarily for earnest money and potential closing costs. 2. Tax lien. Investing. Here's the thing: when homeowners don't pay their property taxes, the local government needs its money. So, they sell tax liens to investors like you. If the homeowner eventually pays, you get your investment back with interest. If not, there's a chance you could end up owning the property. It's a bit like a game of real estate roulette. Estimated startup cost: $500 to $10,000. Depends on the jurisdiction and value of property. 3. Land banking. Instead of buying developed property, you'd be hunting for raw, undeveloped land. You get it during a downturn when prices are low, and then sit on it, almost like a bank holding money. As areas around it grow or develop, or as the market bounces back, that piece of land could skyrocket in value. Estimated startup cost: $5,000 to $100,000, depending on location and size of the land. 4. House hacking multi-units. Imagine buying a building with, say, 4 apartments. You live in one and rent out the other 3. Those rents might just cover your entire mortgage, maybe even some additional expenses. It's like living for free while your tenants help you pay off the property. Estimated startup cost: $10,000 to $100,000 for down payment and potential repairs. 5. Rent out storage or parking. During downturns, people often move to smaller places but don't want to let go of their stuff. That's where you come in, offering them a storage solution. Or, in crowded cities, parking can be a gold mine. Acquire a space and rent it out. It's as simple as that. Estimated startup cost: $10,000 to $100,000, depending on location and size of the storage facility. 6. Group investing or crowdfunding. Don't have a huge amount of capital? No worries. Join forces with other investors. There are even online platforms nowadays that let you invest small amounts in bigger real estate projects. It's like pooling your money together for bigger buying power. Estimated startup cost: $1,000 to $25,000, depending on the platform and investment opportunity. 7. Mobile home investing. Mobile homes might not sound glamorous, but they can be real cash cows. Whether you're buying individual units or entire parks, there's potential here, especially if you can make some upgrades and then adjust the rents to reflect those improvements. Estimated startup cost: $5,000 to $50,000, depending on location and condition. 8. Short-term vacation rentals. Okay, so tourism spots might take a hit during a downturn, but they bounce back. By getting property in these areas and then listing them on platforms like Airbnb, you could be in for some significant income, especially during peak seasons. Estimated startup cost: $10,000 to $200,000 for down payment and furnishing. 9. Convert commercial to residential. With the way work culture is shifting, some commercial spaces aren't as sought after. That's an opportunity. Buy them, transform them into residential units, and either sell or rent them out. It's about seeing the potential and repurposing. Estimated startup cost: $50,000 to $500,000, depending on the property size, location, and conversion costs. 10. Agricultural real estate. Food is always in demand, right? By investing in farmland or areas suitable for it, you could lease the land to farmers or even get into the farming game yourself. As global food demands shift, having a piece of agricultural land might just be a smart move. Estimated startup cost: $10,000 to $500,000, depending on the location and size of the land. Real estate dips aren't just obstacles, they're opportunities. With the right strategies and a dash of courage, you could transform a market downturn into your advantage. Thank you for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if you found some value.